What's the meaning of consensus? Consensus. Consensus.
Consensus. Consensus. Consensus refers to a general agreement among a group of individuals or organizations that have different opinions or beliefs. It is a decision-making process that aims to reach a common understanding of the issue at hand. In consensus-based decision-making, all parties are given an equal opportunity to express their opinions and concerns, and decisions are made through mutual understanding and compromise. The result of a consensus is a clear and unified resolution that is accepted by all parties involved, ensuring cooperation and collaboration towards a common goal.